Hey guys, welcome back to the Winning Plays YouTube channel, and I have an airdrop guide for you guys on the CRONOS network. And the project is Parabola. It is a stablecoin AMM on the CRONOS network. They recently launched their testnet, and it is on the testnet, so we don't need to spend or deposit any money for this. We don't have to provide liquidity with our own money. We just have to use their testnet application, and once we do that, they'll get some info on how their application is working by us using it, and we will get paid out. And if we scroll down here, all users joining their testnet will be rewarded. Bugs reported will also be rewarded. 1% of the PRB total supply has been allocated for the airdrop. For more details, read their Medium and their docs. The testnet allows testing the main functionalities of the protocol in a fictitious and safe space with trial funds, so you can understand the dynamics of our protocol without incurring any risk. All users who participate in the test will be rewarded. And then this is probably a screenshot from their article. It says airdrop, 1% of the PBR total supply has been allocated for the airdrop. Who gets these airdrop? Point one, Parabola community. In order to build up the Parabola community as quickly as possible, we will be running a community airdrop campaign. The rules of which will be published from time to time. Early users, Parabola will be running an airdrop campaign for early users of the protocol to reward them for their contributions to the protocol. The rules and details will be announced a week before the protocol goes live on the CRONOS network. More airdrops will be announced at a later date. So right now, the current airdrop is just using their testnet and reporting bugs, and later, I'm assuming when they say early users of the protocol to reward them for their contributions to the protocol, they're probably going to talk about adding liquidity and staking, and probably staking CRONOS on the Parabola. No, it's not staking CRONOS, staking CRO on the Parabola network. So that's probably going to be a future airdrop, but right now we're going to be focusing on just the testnet. So getting started, if you don't have the CRONOS testnet added to your wallet, then add it at chainless.org. Let's open that. It said CRONOS testnet, chain ID 338. Let's just do Control F. Test. Let's do CRONOS. CRONOS testnet, connect wallet. Next and next, I'm connected here, and then go get your testnet CRO from CRO faucet. Okay, then I'm just gonna copy my address, put in there. Say you're not a robot, get test CRO sent to your wallet. Okay, just sent. Then it says you might have to wait a long time for the testnet CRO. If you didn't receive the tokens from the faucet, go to CRONOS Discord or the Parabola Telegram to ask for the testnet CRO. And then step one, head to the Parabola.fi faucet and then connect your wallet into your address and get the testnet stablecoins. Going to here, and this is the website. Then switch to the CRONOS testnet. Approve, switch networks. And then we are here. And before the next step, we need to get the T-CRO, and been waiting for a few minutes, and my T-CRO is not in my wallet. So if you go to Discord and connect to it, you'll be on the CRONOS and crypto.org website, and then you go to CRONOS for developers, then go to request tcro-chronos, then just type in faucet and then your address, and then you should be able to get that tcro. After you put your address in the Discord, you should be able to get the crow. I'm still waiting, but we'll see how long this will take. The next step, after all the tcro gets into your wallet, put your address in, and then you'll be able to get DAI, USDC, USDT, and BUSD. Now get DAI and transaction pending, and then do this for all of them. And then while you're using the application, just make sure if you see any like bugs or anything, bugs or little glitches, make sure you take note of that. And then if you do send the bug, you might get rewarded a little bit more. If you do find a bug that no one else finds, potentially get more of the airdrop. But right now we're just trying to get all the stable coins. Pending. Once all the transactions go through, you should have 200 of each token. And if you go to swap, we're gonna start using the application. So if you go to the guide, it just says to go to swap, choose your asset amount, and then confirm your swap. So I'm just gonna be approving the contract on different stable coins and just swapping it for each other. So I mean, it's pretty quick. The transactions are pretty quick. I'm just approving the contract. I'm gonna send 50 DAI, and I'm gonna get 49.95 USDC. Swap, boom, and I think you only have to do one swap. So, and 1.04 tcro for the gas. That's like 40-ish cents, 45 cents. I mean, that's relatively cheap compared to other exchanges, but some other networks, like on the Fuse network, doing a swap is like literally like a fifth of a penny. But we're not here to compare. So I swapped some DAI for USDC, and then go to pool, deposit any stablecoin into the pool to receive the LP token. If you go to pool, I'm gonna do all four. So I'm gonna you have to approve all of these. Confirm, approve, confirm. Get the DAI going. So I'm probably gonna do all of the pools, all two of the pools, just to make sure I do get the airdrop. Confirm, and then I'll come back when all the approving is done. All right, now we have to do deposit. I want to say 25 each. Deposit 1% of 1% of a pool, and the slippage is 1% deposit. Gas fee pending. I think deposit. Damn, it costs 4.7 crow. I mean, this is the testnet, so I'm not too sure if that's actual 4.7. That's like $2 or $3. This reminds me of Binance Chain's like fees, because it's like 25 to 35 cents per regular transaction. Then in kind of bigger transactions like adding liquidity, it's like $2 to $3 to $4. So I added money to the pool. No, I didn't add money. I did add money. My liquidity is $99. I'm going to do that for the other pool as well. And if we go back, add money to the pool, then go to farms after. Okay. So I'm going to do 25. Okay, let's do 35. 35 deposit. So just make sure you're doing both the pools, at least swap at least one stablecoin for another stablecoin. You can swap the other stablecoins for each other just to be sure. The more interactions you do with the testnet on Parabola, the better. So better be safe than sorry. And if we go to pools and refresh, we should be able to see my liquidity. So boom, added. Now go to farms, then deposit your LPs, your LP, input your amount and confirm. So the pools, we just created the LP token. Then now we're adding it to the farm. Let's say max approve. And then deposit. And then same thing with the other farm. Get that approved. Max and then approve it. Max and then deposit it, I mean. So boom, $104 deposited. And then around $100 deposited here. Then we will begin to earn PRB from the farm. Let it accumulate for a while, then vest it. Interesting. After you vest it, go to stake, click on claim all with penalty, receive a 50% of our vesting tokens, and then stake the PRB token. Oh, and then you can choose the lock and confirm. Okay. Cool. So if I go to vest all PBR, not PBR, PRB, confirm. I'm only getting like 1% of a PRB right now. And it says after you vest all of it, go to farms, deposit LP withdrawal. We withdraw some of the deposited LP. We'll begin to farm the PRB from the farm, let it accumulate and invest. We go to stake. Make sure you approve it. Then basically just interact with everything here. So once you get to here, I have around 1% of a PRB. I'm going to claim all with penalty, and you're just basically just going through every single option it's asking. And let that go. And just another thing, this website's pretty glitchy because it is a testnet. It is not fully developed yet, so be patient, because a lot of what I've been trying to do in the past few minutes it's failed a lot. Maybe I have to wait to get more PRB rewards until I can start claiming it, and claiming it with the penalty, claiming it without a penalty, claim all and lock it. So do those two options, and then also removing liquidity from the pools here, the farms there, and removing the staked PRB. Once you get a lot of PRB, unstake that also. And basically, like I said, just do all the options it's asking. Lock your PRB. You can see all the different types of rewards. You can get locked PRB 365 days and enjoy 2.5x your money. That's pretty good. But you can see this transaction has been pending for a few minutes. So yeah, basically do all of that, and you should be able to get the airdrop. See, the transaction is not submitted, so I might wait until a couple hours from now and try to withdraw some PRB, and potentially get this going. So right now, while I'm waiting for the PRB to accumulate in my wallet, I'm trying to withdraw just a small amount of my pool of my BUSD, DAI, USDC, and USDT, and I was getting an error a second ago, so we'll see if this goes through or not. But if you do find some errors, go into the CRONOS testnet Discord, and then just basically start talking about it and show what you found, and then it will help the CRONOS developers fix the issues. If you're very bullish on CRO and want to help out, that's a good way to help out. This is just the website I just looked up. CRONOS testnet running nodes. Ooh, this is something completely different. So yeah, I got this error while formatting output from RPC, blah 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 blah. Yeah, so that didn't even work. Trying to withdraw is not working for me right now. So I'll probably report this to the Discord and see what happens from there. See if I get a response. I only have about 4% of a PRB, so I can't really do much. I'm trying to stake it right now and it's not letting me because I don't think I have enough PRB. So let's go back for a second. If I go to vest all, but this option is not. Ooh, see the okay. Transaction is going through, I think. Confirm. And then I should be able to try to stake it. Just give me 1 second. We'll see if we are able to claim all and lock for 360 days of the PRB that we have in our wallet right now. Looks like we can confirm and see if this goes through. Oh, it is raining. Oh, I didn't know it was raining. So yeah, I'm getting error right here. And see, if you're getting a lot of these errors and not able to interact with the website anymore, you're probably, if you're trying to send it, I mean, you're not probably, if you're trying to send the PBR to be able to be locked or to swap it or to do, to go into the farms and stuff, and it's not letting you, you should be fine. At least you tried. And as long as somebody reports that there is a bug, and probably people that had the bug probably has reported it. As long as you tried to do it, you should be fine with the airdrop. But to be sure, you could always come back and try to confirm the swap with in a later time and make sure. And hopefully it works then. But if you're having a lot of issues like me right now, and I've been trying to claim all with penalty or claim all and lock, and it's not working for me. So as long as I tried, I feel like you should be fine with the airdrop. I will link this link from DeFi Calendar about the airdrop in the description down below, and have this website in the description as well. And you guys should be fine. And this chain list, but these two articles, I mean websites, should be in the link of the DeFi Calendars guide, so you guys should be fine there. But that's basically it. Probably kind of a lengthy video on trying to get this airdrop, but I feel like you guys got the gist now. All you have to do is follow those steps and get going and potentially get the airdrop. I'm not too sure when the airdrop will be, but if you join the Discord, I'll update my my Excel file of all the airdrops we have done and about to currently do or do in the future, and I will update you guys on if and when the airdrop does come, and we'll see how much money we can get for being an early user of the application. So peace.